Are you a subcontractor working hard on job sites, but skipping insurance because it feels expensive or unnecessary? Well, here's the thing, skipping insurance could cost you way more than the premium ever will. Let's break down what subcontractor insurance really is, why it's a must-have, and clear up some common myths that are costing people their businesses. Check out the link in the description box below. Why subcontractors need insurance. If you're a subcontractor, having your own insurance isn't just a smart move, it's essential. Too many subcontractors believe they're covered under a general contractor's policy. That's one of the biggest myths in the industry. Most general contractor policies specifically exclude subcontractors. That means if something goes wrong, an accident, a mistake, or damage, and you're named in a lawsuit, you could be completely on your own. Legal fees, court costs, and any judgment against you? That's all coming out of your pocket unless you have your own policy. Isn't insurance too expensive? Look, we know what you're thinking, insurance sounds great, but I'm barely covering my costs already. But here's the truth, insurance feels expensive until something goes wrong. One claim, one accident, or one lawsuit can wipe out months, even years, of hard work. And guess what? Even if you're not found liable, the cost of hiring a lawyer, taking time off jobs, and dealing with court can put you deep in the red. Think of insurance not as a cost, but as protection for everything you've built. It's not about if something happens, it's about when. And when it does, you'll be glad you have a policy in place to back you up. What kind of insurance do you need? At minimum, you need general liability insurance. This protects you if you cause property damage or bodily injury on the job. If you have employees, workers' compensation insurance is a must. If one of your guys gets hurt and you're not covered, they can sue you. And no, the general contractor won't save you here either. Even if they have coverage, it doesn't automatically extend to you or your crew. It's easier and cheaper than you think. Not all policies are expensive. If you're doing general contracting work, not blasting rock or trimming 80-foot trees, insurance can be surprisingly affordable. Many artisan contractors can get quality coverage at a fair price that fits within their budget. So don't roll the dice on your business. Subcontractor insurance isn't a luxury, it's your safety net. If you're ready to take the next step, we've made it easy. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.